In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Poweramp app on your Android smartphone. So if you want to get this music player app on your Android smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to get the right Poweramp app, go ahead and find Play Store app on your Android smartphone and then tap on it to open. From here, go ahead and look for the search bar icon on top here. Or if you can't see this search bar, just go ahead and look for a search icon down below and tap on it. Then search the app by name like that, Poweramp with one R, and then tap on search. Here we shall be taken to this app. Go ahead and tap on it here. You can see Poweramp Music Player app. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Poweramp Software Design, and it has over 1 million reviews with a star rating of 4.6 at the time of recording this. Currently the app has over 50 million downloads and the file size is averagely 11 MBs. So if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install. This will go ahead and download the latest version of Poweramp Music Player app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open straight from here to start using it. Or if you go back to your apps, now you can see we have our app right here. Go ahead and allow permission and then it will initialize and get ready for use. And now here, this is the welcoming interface. So that's how you can install the right Poweramp app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.